Nusok ay pinangalaga, buong pagmamahal, buong suporta. Kaya naman tonight, we have prepared a lot of surprises for all of you. Are you guys ready? Filipino fans, are you guys ready? Welcome to the Philippines. Alright, so sisimulan na po natin. Gagalingan natin, guys, ha? Huwag niyo kong ipapahiya dito. Let's sit down. Let's start the program for tonight. Sa sobrang tangkad niya, talagang elevated yung sofa natin. Hula. Yes, yes. Are you having fun so far?
제가 지금 너무 영광적으로 저를 맞이해주셔서 너무 좋아요.
Yes.
I'm very happy because you're so passionately welcoming me tonight.
Siyempre, you know guys, so of course, because we are here with Mr. Piano Show, we cannot help but talk about Sanjay. Who, of course, sino dito ang gustong i-piggyback ride siya at And because of the great success of Lovely Runner and the love and support that it received, okay, because of the great success of Lovely Runner and the love that and support that it received, it allowed you to meet your fans here in Manila. Anong feeling? Naging isang Sanjay.
제가 선제로 거의 10개월 촬영했고 그리고 방송 나오는 2개월까지 해서 1년 동안 거의 매일 선제로 살아왔는데 이렇게 사랑해주시는 이 순간만큼도 어떻게 보면 또 선제로서 여러분들한테 조금 노래도 부를 수 있고 같이 호응을 할 수 있는 것 같아서 또다시 선제가 된 것 같은 느낌이라 되게 새롭고 더 기분 좋습니다.
Well, it took me 10 months to film the drama and 2 months of showing it. So almost 1 year I've lived my life as Sanjay. And because of that, your great love for Sanjay, I'm sending it to you. And because Sanjay, I was able to also sing and also communicate with all of you and give all these great responses. So I'm very grateful for Sanjay.
Of course, and we are also very grateful that you have, joined us today here in Manila. So now, we have prepared this segment na talaga namang kikiliti at kikilig at mapapangisay sa inyong gabi. We will call on Sanjay back to join us here with